I wake up to you in the morning. You tell me how you're feeling. Seem like your body don't know how to hold you. So maybe I can instead. You got so many battles you don't need to fight. Feel it with you every time it isn't feeling right. I wish I could take your pain. You're dealing with some things I've never seen in life. You hurt them but it don't show on the outside. They're repeated every day. But you're my lady. You're my baby. So anything you got is mine. So the next time you don't feel right, ain't gonna be a next time. I'ma take the pain and trade you for some better days, and then you get a better life, I promise, than you've ever had. Better days, and now you're in some better times.
How this pandemic has made me a really boring person, according to me, as per the defined social standards. So first of all, boring क्या होता है, right? And interesting क्या होता है? I used to consider myself a very interesting person before. Reason, मैं बहुत बड़े शहर में रहती थी. मुझे ऐसा लगता था कि मैं फैंसी रेस्टोरेंट्स विज़िट कर रही हूँ, देन आई एम प्रोग्रेसिंग, बिकॉज़ मैं बहुत ज़्यादा स्पेंड कर रही हूँ अपने कपड़ों पे या चीज़ों पे, या आई हैव सर्टन बेंचमार्क सेटअप कि मुझे ये ब्रांड का ही कुछ लेना है. एंड आई यूज़ टू थिंक दैट येस, मैं अपनी लाइफ में बढ़ रही हूँ आगे, राइट? आई मीन दैट वाज इंटरेस्टिंग अबाउट मी. I used to do parties. I was a party person. I was a happening person then, according to the world. And that is what interesting means. But as soon as this pandemic hit, nobody is living that life. तो उसके बाद क्या आप सब बोरिंग हो गए? क्या मैं बोरिंग हो गई? क्या मेरा जो इंटरेस्टिंग फॉर्म था वो सिर्फ तब तक था जब तक मेरे पास ये सब चीज़ें थी? This is one question I used to ask myself since the last year, and eventually मैंने ये figure out किया that वो चीज़ें मुझे interesting नहीं बना रही थी. It was my personality which was making me interesting. Okay, तो वही चीज़ है, मुझे लगा कि it's worth to share this experience that I have seen in myself with each and every one of you, and this might make you think कि क्या आपको चीज़ें, पार्टिंग, लोग इंटरेस्टिंग बनाते हैं, या आप घर में रहकर भी उतने ही ब्यूटीफुल इंटरेस्टिंग हो सकते हो. नाउ अकॉर्डिंग टू द वर्ल्ड आई एम अ बोरिंग पर्सन. यू नो द रीज़न वाई? नो? लेट्स गेट इनटू द वीडियो.
I was never a Netflix kind of person. Neither am I right now. Isn't that the enough reason for you to call me a really boring person? I don't know why, but I am a boring person if you call it so. I really like taking a book, sitting in the lap of nature, and just reading through that around the walls in periphery of a neem tree in my garden. And it really feels beautiful. It's like you are meditating. It's like you are feeling the presence of yourself. Who would prefer a watermelon slice for a night craving? I do. Or maybe spending your Sunday evenings looking at the sun and the sunsets, and maybe feeling like completely sun-kissed. Can you believe the way I have decorated my storeroom, and I'm completely saying it? Look at the grace on my face when I just show this wall piece. And this, isn't it amazing? It just makes me feel the individuality that I have, the contentment that I have, And when someone gifts you something like that, you really feel special about yourself, isn't it? And yes, that's how my weekends look like. Completely indulging myself into how I want to make my new videos look like. I would just sit and think on my terrace, what can I put forward to make things very realistic and beautiful, special and new. So the kind of content that I present might be it syncs with someone else. Do you enjoy your beautiful and fragrant cup of coffee as much as I do? If you do, you are truly blessed because you know how to take pleasure in little things in life, and that's what life means. Gosh, that's boring. Taking a cup of coffee, sitting on your chair, or maybe on a sofa, and just opening your laptop again and just getting lost in the world of technology. Yeah, that's what I do. But I kind of fell in love with this very lately. Guess what I'm doing? Looking for a beautiful record to fit into this fairy tale kind of video that I'm going to prepare for you guys. Again, I just can't have enough of these sunsets. They just make you look beautiful.
For some people, a painting is boring. For some people, vegetarian is boring. For some people, wearing full clothes is boring. For some people, having like a normal hair color is boring. For some people, just using almond oil for a night routine is boring, right? But for me, it's interesting. I don't know why, but it's interesting. I enjoy that. Okay, for some people, partying is boring. For some people, partying is the world. It's very interesting. Okay, for some people, alcohol is exciting. For some people, it's something which deteriorates your health. Okay, so it's about the outlook, how you see life, how you see things around it, and how, the most important thing is how you want to utilize your time. सो आप पे डिपेंड करता है आप वर्ल्ड डेफिनेशंस के साथ अपनी पर्सनालिटी को मैच करके स्टैंडर्ड्स के साथ अपने आप को दिखाना चाहते हो. अकॉर्डिंग टू द वर्ल्ड्स डेफिनेशन ऑफ बोरिंग, आई एम अ बोरिंग पर्सन. अकॉर्डिंग टू द वर्ल्ड्स डेफिनेशन ऑफ बीइंग अ वेरी हैपनिंग इंटरेस्टिंग पर्सन, आई एम एन इंटरेस्टिंग पर्सन. बट क्या हम दूसरी डेफिनेशंस को सेटिस्फाई करके अपने आप को एक फ्रेम में फ़िट करना चाहते हैं और वी वांट टू लिव आवर लाइफ फुली the way we want? This is one question. It keeps me juggling. It keeps me asking. It keeps me, curious that how do we really want to live? What kind of lifestyle do we really want to pursue? What kind of hobbies do we really like to do? Okay, this is happening. This is a nice hobby because somebody is saying it's a nice hobby. Doesn't define it. Okay, doesn't really mean that you will enjoy it. मुझे पेंटिंग करना पसंद है तो मुझे पसंद है, किसी और को ये बोरिंग लगता है, हविश. ठीक है. और अगर मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि हैविंग माई नेचुरल का हेयर कलर इज़ सूटिंग मी, इट्स इंटरेस्टिंग, आई विल कीप इट. Why would I just go with other people's choice of coloring it with some green color? It's just completely my choice. Even if you find it boring, I enjoy that. Okay guys, so next time you call it boring, you just need to think and recall it might be interesting to someone else. You never know.
That was my ordinary, little, beautiful, cute and sweet life, guys. If you like this video, don't forget to share this to pass on some positivity in this world full of negativity. I hope you guys tuned in. I hope you guys had fun. I hope you guys were able to relate at least 10% of what I live. I wish you all the happiness, safety and luck throughout your life. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate your time. This is Nikita signing off. I hope you had a bit of my day. I hope you found it beautiful, isn't it?